So hello students, let us solve some more problems from the Clairaut's equations. So in last class also, in the previous two classes I discussed the Clairaut's type of equations. So in today's session also I wanted to discuss some more problems on Clairaut's equation. Okay, as find the general and singular solution of this one, p minus 1 into e to the 3x plus p cube into e to the 2y is equal to 0 by using the substitution. So that is e to the x is equal to u and e to the y is equal to v. If not, it is not possible to write this in Clairaut's form. Clearly this not looks like a Clairaut's equation. So with this substitution or with these transformations, we can easily reduce the equation into Clairaut's form. So first you write the equation. So that is the p minus 1 where p is dy by dx. So given equation is p minus 1 into e to the 3x plus p cube into e to the 2y is equal to 0. You take this equation is 1. Okay, you can write this equation is p minus 1 into, we write e to the 3x is e to the x whole cube plus p cube into, you can write it is e to the y whole square is equal to 0. Okay, you take it is 1. Now put, okay, you take this equations to put e to the x is equal to u and e to the y is equal to v. So take its differentiation, e to the x dx is equal to du and e to the y dy is equal to dv. Now dv by du gives that, therefore dv by du is equal to, so e to the y into dy by e to the x into dx, isn't it? So now this dy by dx can be written as, dy by dx, now you can write it is p. Okay, so and dv by du is equal to, you write it is a capital P. Okay, so it is p is equal to e to the y, you can write this e to the y is v and e to the x is u, v by u into this is small p, where this p is equal to dv by du. Okay, and this is small p is equal to dy by dx. This is small p is equal to dy by dx. So now you can simplify this as p is equal to u by v into this capital P. You take this is 3. So now 2 becomes, put this in 2, put this substitution into, so now equation 2 becomes, so equation 2 ಏನಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, what is equation 2 is, equation 2 is here p minus 1 into e to the x whole cube, p minus 1, p minus 1 means that is p is u by v into capital P minus 1, u by vp minus 1, p minus 1 into e to the x, e to the x means that is u cube, this u cube plus, so next step we have, here you see this p cube into e to the y whole square. What is p cube? U by v, this is u by v into p whole cube into e to the y whole square. What is e to the y? E to the y is v square. Okay, so this into v square is equal to 0. Okay, simplifying this, so its simplification gives that, okay, multiply this with u cube, u cube into u to the power 4, u to the power 4 by v into this p minus u cube plus this is the u cube into p cube into v square divided by this v is equal to 0. Okay, so now this is v square and this is v cube. Actually this is v cube, right? u cube p cube by v cube into v square. One of this v square cancels, and here, so this is u to the power 4 by v into p minus u cube plus. Okay, so now simplifying this, so now you can take u cube. Okay, you write u cube, you take it as a common factor. U cube by v, you take it as a common factor. You take u cube by v is a common factor, then remaining is u into p minus, ಇಲ್ಲಿ u cube by v ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ v ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ v ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು u cube by v ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ remaining here is v plus, if this u cube by v comes outside, remaining here is p cube. P cube is equal to 0. Okay, what it implies? Which implies that up minus v plus p cube is equal to 0, which implies that v is equal to up plus p cube, isn't it? So now you take this equation is 4 or 3. Yes, it is 4. This equation is 4. Clearly this equation 4 is Clairaut's equation. So equation 4, clearly it is Clairaut's equation. So therefore its general solution is, general solution ಬರೆಯೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, p ನ c ಹಾಕಬೇಕು p ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ v is equal to cu plus c cube, or you can write this is, what is v? v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? v ಅಂದ್ರೆ e to the power of y. What is u? u is e to the power of x, isn't it? v is e to the power of y, u is e to the power of x. So e to the y is equal to c into e to the x plus c cube. So that's all is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. Okay, to find the singular solution, okay, you differentiate equation 4 with respect to p. To find singular solution, differentiating equation 4 partially with respect to p. So then what it gives? So it is 0 is equal to differentiation of up is u plus differentiation of p cube is 3p square, isn't it? So now 3p square is equal to minus u. 3p square is equal to minus u. And what is p or p square? What is there in the equation? Yes. Okay. So find the value of p now. That is 3 or p square is equal to, this is capital P, p square is equal to minus u by 3, or this p is equal to square root of minus u by 3. Take this expression is 5. Substituting 5 in this equation, v is equal to cu plus okay, in equation 4. So substituting this in 4 or using this in 4, we get that what is for v is equal to pu. What is p? P is square root of minus u by 3 into pu plus p cube. P cube is square root of minus u by 3 whole cube. Square root of minus u by 3 whole cube. So now you simplifying this as v is equal to so simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you take minus u by 3 is the square root of u by 3 is the minus u by 3 is a common factor. So then remaining here is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so remaining here is u plus and remaining here is square root of minus u by 3 whole square, isn't it? So now this root and square cancels. V is equal to square root of minus u by 3 into this is u minus u by 3. U minus u by 3 is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2u by 3. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ v ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is minus u by 3, and if you square this one it is 4u square by 9. 4u square by 9. Okay, so this is 9 3s are 27. 27 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is 27v square is equal to minus 4u cube, or you can write this solution is what is v? V andre eno? V andre it is e to the power of y. U means e to the power of x. So okay, you write it is 27v square plus 4u cube is equal to 0, or 27 e to the power of 2y because v is e to the power of y plus 4 into e to the power of 3x is equal to 0 is the singular solution. So transformation problems ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so by practicing the problems you get that idea. Okay, so I think you understand this problem. Idರಲ್ಲಿ doubts illa anta andukoltene. So shift to next problem. So find the general and singular solution of cos square y into p square plus sin x cos x cos y p is equal to sin y cos square x. So the transformation is given. U is equal to sin x, v is equal to sin y. Okay, let us see cos square y into p square. Okay, right, I'm just writing the problem first. So this is cos square y into p square, this is small p, into sin x cos y into p is equal to sin y into cos square x. Sin y into cos square x. Okay, so if possible you try to write all cos x in terms of sin x and all sin y, all cos y in terms of sin y. So otherwise, so just take the substitution and go ahead. Take this expression is 1, put u is equal to sin x and v is equal to sin y. So in expression 1, put this is substitution in 1. So then du is equal to cos x dx, dv is equal to cos y dy. Du is cos x dx, dv is cos y dy. Now you take this one, dv by du. Dv by du is equal to, what is dv? Dv andre cos y into dy divided by cos x into dx. Cos x into dx. Now you take this is capital P is equal to cos y by cos x, cos y by cos x into this small p. Okay, so cos y by cos x into p. Okay, next take this expression is to, or p is equal to, or you can write this is small p is equal to cos x by cos y, cos x by cos y into capital P. Okay, so where this capital P is, where this P means dv by du and this small p is dy by dx. Yes, put this in equation 1. So now 1 becomes, now 1 becomes, so what is that equation 1 is? You just substitute for this p, p matra substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ finally we change this cos and sin forms. Okay, so you write this cos square y as it is, and in place of p, in place of p, in small p, in place of small p you write cos x by cos y into capital P, cos x by cos y. So it is cos square y, cos square y into p square, isn't it? Cos square y into p square. So that is cos x by cos y into cos x by cos y into this capital P whole square plus again here sin x cos y, sin x cos y, sin x cos x cos y into p. So that p is cos x by cos y into this capital P. Okay, actually ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ sin x cos y into p. P is we substitute cos x cos y by p, that capital P. So in right hand side sin y cos square x, which is equal to sin y cos square x, sin y cos square x. Okay, now you simplifying this. So this is cos square x, illi cos square x ide. So you take cos square x is common factor, cos square x is common factor, and also we can cancel this cos y cos y, and here also you can cancel this cos square y. This is cos square y, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು cos square y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So remaining here is cos square p, cos square x into p square. If you take this cos square x is common factor, cos square x ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, so remaining here is p square. P square plus, you see this cos x cancels here. So we are taking this cos square x is common factor. Remaining here is sin x into this capital P. Okay, which is equal to, in right hand side it is sin y into cos square x. Both the sides we can cancel this cos square x by using cancellation rules. Again, what is sin x and sin y? Sin x is u, sin y is v. Sin x is u, sin y is v. So if you substitute that here, it is p square plus sin x p, sin x is u. So okay, sorry, this is p square plus sin x is u, so it is up sin y is v. Okay, so and observe this equation. Clearly this equation is in Clairaut's form. So take this v is equal to pu or up plus p square. So take this equation is 2. Clearly equation 2 is of Clairaut's form. Clairaut's form. So therefore its general solution is so v is equal to cu, in place of p we have to put cu plus c square, or what is v? V andre eno sin y, u andre eno sin x. V is sin y, u is sin x. Sin y is equal to c into sin x plus c square is the required general solution. Again, to find the singular solution by using equation 2. So to find singular solution, differentiate equation 2 with respect to p partially. Okay, so with respect to p partially, so if we are differentiating this with respect to p, so then it is 0 is equal to u into 1 plus 2p. So what it implies? This p is equal to minus u by 2. Take this is 3. Substituting 3 in equation 2. Equation 2 ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So using 3 into or substituting 3 in 2, we get v is equal to pu, p is minus u by 2 into u plus p square, that is minus u by 2 whole square. Okay, what it gives? V is equal to minus u square by 2 plus u square divided by 4. Simplifying this, it gives that, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Minus u square divided by 4. It gives that minus u square divided by 4. Or 4v is equal to minus u square. Or 4v plus u square is equal to 0. So substituting the value of v and u, so in terms of x and y, so substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So 4 into v means that is sin y, 4 sin y plus sin x whole square, or you can write it as sin square x is equal to 0 is the singular solution of the given equation. Okay, so again, take one more example. Find the general and singular solution of y is equal to px plus p minus p square. Yeah, of course, it is very simple problem. Y is equal to px plus p minus p square. So clearly it is in Clairaut's form. Clearly equation 1 is in Clairaut's form. So therefore its general solution is y is equal to cx plus c minus c square. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, differentiate 1 partially with respect to p. So with respect to p differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 is equal to x plus differentiation of p is 1 minus 2p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Or 2p is equal to x plus 1. p is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 ಆಯಿತು. So take this equation is 2 and substituting equation 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1. So we get that y is equal to px plus y is equal to p, that is x plus 1 by 2 into x px plus p minus p square, right? p andre ಏನು x plus 1 by 2 minus p square x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, simplification ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So here I am taking this x plus 1 by 2 as a common factor. So if you take this x plus 1 by 2 as a common factor here, common factor ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So remaining here is x plus remaining here is 1 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? x plus 1 by 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So this is x plus 1 divided by 2. Simplifying this again, y is equal to x plus 1 by 2 into, if you take 2 is the LCM, it is 2x plus 2 minus x minus 1 whole divided by 2 ಆಯಿತು. Okay, that is y is equal to x plus 1 by 2 into 2x minus x is x, 2 minus 1 is 1, x plus 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4, so it is 4y is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So is the required singular solution. Is the required singular solution. Okay, next one more example. Find the general and singular solution of y is equal to x into dy by dx plus dy by dx whole square. So now you write this equation is y is equal to x into p plus p square. So I think it is easy problem. You can solve yourself. In place of dy by dx I am written in p. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, dy by dx ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು dy by dx ನ p ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then it will be easy. Okay, so I think you can easily solve this problem. ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So next one more example. Find the general and singular solution of y minus px into p minus 1 is equal to p. You write this equation is y minus px is equal to p by p minus 1. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? So again you write this is y is equal to px plus p by p minus 1. Now it is in standard form. So it is a Clairaut's equation. You take it is 1. So clearly it is the Clairaut's equation. Clairaut's equation. So therefore its general solution is y is equal to cx, in place of p you write c, cx plus c by c minus 1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ p place ಅಲ್ಲಿ c ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. To find its singular solution, so differentiating 1 partially with respect to p. So with respect to p differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 0 is equal to x plus to differentiate this we have to use the quotient rule. ನೀವು quotient rule ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So then it will be easy I think. ಇದನ್ನ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು solution. So now okay, it is x plus, I'm using the quotient rule here. This is the denominator square, that is p minus 1 whole square. P minus 1 into differentiation of p is 1 minus p into differentiation of p minus 1 is 1. Okay, so then it is 0 is equal to, this is x plus p minus 1 minus p minus 1 minus p divided by p minus 1 whole square. So now one of this p cancels. Take this term to left hand side. So then it is 1 by p minus 1 whole square is equal to x. Taking reciprocal on both sides, because our intention is to find the value of p minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by x. Again p minus 1 is equal to 1 by square root of x, plus or minus you can take, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬೋಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So then p is equal to 1 plus 1 by root x, 1 plus 1 by root x. To take this expression is to substituting 2 in 1. We get that y is equal to px. So that is p is 1 plus 1 by root x into x. Next, so px plus p by p minus 1, p by p minus 1. Okay, so that is plus p by p is 1 plus 1 by root x divided by, you see the what is p minus 1 is, p minus 1 is 1 by root x, you can write it 1 by root x. Okay, so now in both the terms you can take okay, you simplifying this, y is equal to 1 into x plus x by root x plus this 1 by root x is in denominator of denominator, it should comes to numerator. So numerator ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು root x into 1 plus 1 by root x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is y is equal to x plus, so you see this can be written as root x whole square divided by root x plus root x into 1 root x plus root x by root x. This root x by root x cancels, and root and 1, so you see one of this root x cancels here, remaining is one more root x here. So y is equal to x plus root x plus root x is 2 root x plus 1, isn't it? So now you write it is y is equal to, this x can be written as root x whole square plus 2 root x plus 1. So that is y is equal to 1 plus root x whole square, because it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, you can write it as 1 plus root x whole square is the singular solution, is the required singular solution. Yes, again to this example, p is equal to log of px minus y. It is not in the Clairaut's form, but we can reduce this one to Clairaut's form like this. Shift this log, then it is e to the p is equal to px minus y, isn't it? Take this y to left hand side, y is equal to px minus e to the p. Clearly it is in Clairaut's form. It is in Clairaut's form, and take this is 1 So this equation is of Clairaut's form. Therefore, its general solution is y is equal to cx minus e to the power of c. To find its singular solution, differentiating equation 1, differentiate 1 partially with respect to p. Okay, so then 0 is equal to x minus e to the p, or e to the p is equal to x, or you can write p is equal to log x. P is equal to log x. Substituting this in 1, we get that y is equal to p. What is p here? P is log x. So it is x log x minus e to the power of p is x is the singular solution. Okay, so like this we can solve any of the problems in this format. Okay, so if it is in standard form, so then it is not a problem, so we can easily solve it. But it is not in the standard form. With the suitable transformations, substitutions, we can reduce this one to Clairaut's form, and after that we can solve it. Okay, so with this I wanted to end this differential equations part. Okay, next in coming 2-3 classes I will discuss the orthogonal trajectories. Is what is. So with this I'll finish this first order differential equations. So if you have any problems, so kindly post your problems. Thank you, and if possible you attempt this problem. Okay, thank you.